this video, I'm going to show you how to add panels to your Twitch channel. To add a panel, simply log into your channel, go to your channel about section, and you'll see a toggle button which says Edit Panels. Now you'll see the option to add as many panels as you'd like. They can be either text and images or extensions. If you already have panels on your computer, go ahead and add them to each panel box and submit your changes before you untick the Edit Panels button at the top. Don't forget you can add links to the URL box on each panel to turn them into clickable links to your various sites or donation portals. Now you can check out how they look. Feel free to go back and switch the order of the panels around to suit your liking, and if you ever want to change some links or get rid of any panels, you can delete them in the same area too. And that's it, simple as that. If you have any questions on how to create your own panels, then leave a comment or check out some of my recommendations in the description of this video. If you'd now like to learn how raids work, then click here, or for more tips and walkthroughs, click here. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.